when I'm with you. Oh yeah, you like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone. Oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. You, yeah. Mayday, mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it call.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this unit and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details of space and all those good things about this wig, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by MyFirstWig. Shout out to you, MyFirstWig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I have on, the name is TOUCHEDBYAYE 014. The texture is silky, the length is 12, the hair origin is Malaysian hair, and it has a 1 to 2 years lifespan under care. The color is same as picture, or the same as you guys see here. The circumference is size 2, which is 22.5 to 23. The cap construction is a 13x6 lace front wig. It's 130% density and it's Swiss lace. So I want to go ahead and say I was going to do my normal thing where I push it back with the, which I did, and with my hot comb, and then comb it forward. I mean, you know how I do it. But I was like, no, I think I want it to be just all kind of coming like a regular, like, you know, the regular bob look, which is what I am wearing now. And it kind of felt like it went with the outfit. Do y'all feel like it go with the outfit? So yeah, with this unit, I do want to say it came pre-everything, meaning it was pre-tweezed, it was pre-bleached, and it was pre-cut. Like, this is the ultimate throw on and go wig. And I did not apply any adhesive. I did apply some of my mousse, the holding mousse. I did apply some of that to it, but not to the lace, just to when I was smoothing the hair back. But then, like I said, I decided that I wanted it to be like this. I'm sorry y'all, if I keep looking over here, it's because I'm worried about lipstick being on my teeth. It's like a thing now. But anyways, so yeah, I did apply that because I was going for that other look, but I didn't apply any adhesive to the lace whatsoever. So you guys can see here, oh girl, will come off. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not experienced any strata packaging. That's not to say, oh girl won't at some point. Just that strata packaging, it is doing none of the things. And in my opinion, it is big head friendly, like extremely. I would suggest if you are a small to medium cap size to get the size 1. And I think that is why I was having trouble with it with my ears, because I had to cut some of the laces because I do prefer a size 1. And I think a long time ago I told them size 2, and now I'm more of a size 1 because I keep my hair cut now. And before, like, I was having to braid my hair. I wasn't the best braider. Everything was bulky. But anyways, I digress. So I think if you are a small to medium cap size, get a size 1. If you are more on the larger cap size, definitely get a size 2. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. right, y'all, so my cons with this unit is going to be my standard con that I give you guys all the time for wigs like this, is that you have a lot of parting space. As you guys can see, it can even go a little further. Okay, you have a lot of parting space in this general area, but once you get like over here, there is not that much parting space, so that is going to be my con. As well as, honestly, I'm not mad at this bob length, but I do prefer like 8 to 10 inch bob, just because I do have a very short neck. So yeah, but this 12 is 12, and I ain't gonna hold you, but I do personally prefer 8 to 10 inch bob. So yeah, those are my cons. Now the pros are, it's pre-everything, girl. Pre-everything. It is the ultimate beginner friendly wig, like literally beginner friendly, lazy girl friendly, all the things. It is the ultimate wig. Okay, so those are going to be my pros, as well as I love this color. This color is everything, so those are my pros with this unit. Yes, I would obviously recommend this wig. Have I ever not recommended a wig from MyFirstWig? Like, let's be for real, girl. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, sound off down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Do you feel like it's a look, it's a vibe? Sound off down in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, MyFirstWig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, don't you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media websites, I am. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helped Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Got every style and weekly.